Any traveler who has been to Chipinge town at one point came across vendors selling tiny and roasted birds known as ngoja, usually found at the intersection of Chipinge and Chiredzi Road at a place commonly known as Batanganda. While this is a unique and perhaps a strange experience for a first-timer visitor, then they've not been to an area called Mwacheta in Mutema Msikavan constituency for yet another surprise delicacy. This floodplain community has found a way to enjoy their naturally inhabitable area, turning lemons into lemonade. The rain season is always a nightmare to the community, but they enjoy one advantage which comes with it in the form of toad frogs, otherwise known as Majese or Majese. For Elias Bote, a local resident, hunting these seasonal frogs is his lifestyle.
Majese, tombade muno Chibuwe muno matogara susu. Tombade muno Chibuwe. So madeko na todo bada futa mwen Majese. Ii huku babai. Manakira anete huku ya burera norisi markirwa ndo manakira anete chile.
Grandmother to Elias Mbuya Bote explained how they prepare the unique dish.
Akawanda Majese. Sekano to batwa to tumbura zvakanaka topedza kutumbura todini to boilisa to anika mwede kurya akadaro morya akadaro teido kotengesa tinanika totenda kotengesa zvaakaita zvozvo motoone chikafu ngoti nzara mune huru mwana.
Other local community members endorse the beauty of diversity, proving the point right that indeed another man's poison is another man's meat.
Tikatone mvura yatonaya semanaira aita izvezvi tinobva tatofara chaizvo nekuti ndiyo nguva yatinonyatsoziva kuti taakumabata.
Kubva ndichitobarwa namutemberedu ndo muriwo vaitokura vaitotibikira kana mvura yanaya kwedu kunokwana Chibuwe.
Meanwhile, as the community continues to enjoy the long practiced tradition, environmentalists have warned against extinction of these rare species, calling for conservative hunting. Tamuka Charakupa, ZBC News, Chipinge.